recipe. This is 2 chopped mini cucumbers with a liberal sprinkle of salt. Is this a pickle? Is it a salad? It's the thing I like to put on my toast on top of avocado or maybe hummus. You add 1 of these. Also, I assume everyone knows how to do this, but you can get a little more garlic out of your garlic press by, like, opening it back up and sort of smooshing the garlic around. And then you can just... yeah, more garlic. No vampires here. The juice of this. Some of it, not all of it. Give him a little mix. Just a little mix. You can eat this now or you can put it in the fridge, and I'm gonna make it a little pretty, because why not?